cold open ever tripped over the words either and neither? You're not alone. Here's a quick guide to help you navigate. Either is used when referring to a choice between two alternatives. For instance, you can have either an apple or an orange. It's your pick between the two. On the other hand, neither is used to indicate that two or more possibilities are not true or possible. Like, neither the red dress nor the blue one fits me. So none of the options work. Remember, either implies one or the other, while neither means not this and not that. Now, go forth and confidently use either and neither. Keep tuning in for more quick language tips. Catch you in the next loop.